Hi, welcome to Getting It Done North of 7. Today's video is about the Erickson wheel chock and strap down system. I recently bought a new trailer and I wanted to tie down my side-by-side very safely and easy because I wanted to get it unloaded fast, and when I go to load it back up I wanted it to be simple, easy system, and I think this will be the best system. I've used it once, I like it a lot. So I'm going to show you what the Erickson wheel chock and strap system looks like, and then I'll load up the side-by-side on here and show you it all strapped down and everything. But first I'm going to show you how I mounted the wheel chocks to the trailer bed. It's very simple, just takes a little bit of time. Okay, so I got the wheel chocks all bolted down to the trailer bed. The trailer bed is wood. So what I did is I placed the side-by-side as center as possible on the trailer, and I placed it about as far as front as I wanted it to go, because what I was thinking was if I ever get a front bumper on my side-by-side, I had to allow distance for that as well. So this is what I came up with. I placed each chock, one in front and one behind each wheel, all four wheels, and then I marked the holes right here, and I marked the holes right here, and I drilled those holes first, and then I backed off the side-by-side and marked the rest of the holes and drilled what I had to drill. And one thing with the Erickson kit, they do not put hardware in the package, so you have to get your own hardware. That cost me about another $50 Canadian just for bolts, washers, and locking nuts. And then really quick, if you see here, there's no bolt here. That's because there's steel bar frame below, doubled up actually, so I'm not going to bother with that one. Don't really need it. You have these four here. I have the fifth one here. So you really don't need, I don't really need that. And there was just like one or two of them that, yeah, two of them that had that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to load up the side-by-side onto the trailer, and I'm going to show you what it looks like, and then we're going to strap it down. Okay, to start with, I laid the strap right down the center of the tire, and I already have them preset to where they were when last time I strapped it down to the trailer. And what I would recommend is back here on the tag, you can mark where it came from. So this is my left front, and I'll just mark every other one for what position it is. And that way I don't have to readjust my straps all the time. One thing you want to do is put your side-by-side in neutral and put the parking brake on. You don't want to strap it down to the trailer like this and park. Now we're going to lock this strap in place. So you can see the strap here, the mechanism. It has a locking handle here, a locking mechanism. You open it up, slide in place, and it locks into the wheel chock down in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to lock it in place on the first, oh hang on, we got to go this side first because it's deeper. Put that in place, lock it in, make sure it doesn't move. So we put it into the first hole because my tires are perfect for that first holes. If I had wider tires, like 28 inches, I'd probably have to put it into this hole. So we're going to make sure this is all centered. Okay, now we're going to come around behind the front wheel. And we're going to do the same here with this one. This has the same kind of mechanism. They all do. So we're going to put that in place here. Hopefully I'm not blocking the camera. Make sure it's locked. We're going to center our strap. Make sure it's centered. And then we're just going to tighten this up. So you can take the slack out now. Might as well do it now. There we go. Now we can just tighten this up. And, well, that's not very centered, but we want this more centered. So we'll just loosen that up. Give it a little play in it. There we go. And you can retighten it. Now don't go too tight yet because you want to do your other four. Then you can go around and check the tightness of them. There's what it looks like with all four straps on the wheel chocks around the tires. This is the rear, there's the front. You already saw the other front tire. I did all four because this is a side-by-side and it's got some weight to it. So I just wanted to be extra safe. So all four are strapped down. It's in neutral with the parking brake on. What I like about this is it doesn't take long to strap it down to the trailer. You know, as long as you get your side-by-side on their center with those wheel chocks, it doesn't take long to put the straps on and you're down the road. So far I've only used the Erickson wheel chocks and strap down system once, and I really like it. It did a great job at holding the side-by-side in place. If you'd like to check out this product, go down the description below. I'll leave a link there and also leave a link in a pinned comment where you can find the Erickson wheel chock and strap down system. I want to thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.